What up, people of the internet? This your boy DJ16. I have to say, I'm taking y'all along with me. I'm finna head to the store, and I'm gonna talk about my trade today. Also, I'm gonna show the video clip of my trade after I get through discussing what today was like, and about being back. As I thought I was being back with real money trading today. But CMEG let me down. I'm gonna discuss that on my way. All right. So I got a mail yesterday, an email yesterday from CMEG. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I got an email yesterday from CMEG explaining that these cut on the air. And the face right there. So I got an email last night actually from CMEG saying that my money transfer that I put in was it Tuesday night or Wednesday morning? I think it was early Wednesday morning around 2 a.m. or something like that. I was still up. And normally when you send a wire in to CMEG, it takes 3 business days for them to get it and add it to your account. And then you start trading on the 4th day. But I got an email from them last night saying that my wire transfer was complete. I got a confirmation from my bank last night as well, to saying the wire transfer was complete. And CMEG said that it was added to my balance and I can begin trading again, right? So I got up this morning. As you see in the video, I show you that I had the money in my account. It's like $700 and some, and that I can begin trading this morning. But as I traded, I noticed that I didn't have it. It went to my paper trading instead of my it went to my paper trading account instead of my actual account. You'll see in the video that I took the trade and it came through on my paper money account and my paper trading account, and not in my actual account. Now I was all excited thinking that, I can trade, and it showed me my balance, my actual money that was in the account, but it wouldn't allow me to trade that. So later I found out that they sent me an email at 10 o'clock saying that you can now begin actively trading in your account. And I was like, I was already sent this email the night before, and I thought I can already trade, but evidently not. So I closed out of the app and I opened it back up, and then it had like my account number where I can actually trade with my account. But before that, I had already made 2 trade moves in the paper trading account. There was like good trades that was my A plus and my A setup, or A B plus and A setup. If y'all want to, not everything is a guarantee, but you'll hit more on these than you would miss. But I ended up making $130 today in that trade, paper trading. But I wanted to make that in my actual account. So, and I guess I really wanted to try to make that before this month was over, so that it can pay for this coming month fee, which is $125 or 125 to $140, which is going to be coming out of my account. I'm going to put in the title anyway that I started out with $740 some on this small account, and I'm trying to grow it to let's say I'm trying to grow it to 40,000 first. Take out 20,000, which is way more than I actually put in before. It's not way more, but which is, yeah, it is. 20,000 is more than 2,000 is more than what I actually put into my account before the blow up. So I'm taking out more than I actually put in, but I wanted to be a safety net. That way I can get the pressure off me that I'm trading with money that I might actually lose instead of money that, hey, I ain't have at first. So then after that, my goal is to work it up to $40,000. It's like having like a regular job where you make $39,000 a year. So I'm trying to work it up to 40,000, and then after 40,000, 800,000 and on up. You know, I guess I'll figure out my goal tree after that. But my first initial goal is $4,000, and then after that, 40,000. So yeah. I traded two trades. My first trade was $40. My second trade ended up being no, my first trade was $50 on APOP, and then my second trade was $80 on SOLO. Make sure y'all check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and play the video right now with it. I just wanted to make sure I'm transparent in my trading, that hey, this money that I made right here is actually paper money. I thought, and I was happy. I woke up happy thinking I'm finna trade with my actual money trading account, but it ended up being a paper trading. But tomorrow though, I will be on my actual real money account and trading with that, and hopefully tomorrow go as good as today. But Fridays are always iffy with me, so I'm trying to be careful tomorrow and probably just trade my A+ setup if I can see it. If not, you know. But anyway, until next time, people of the internet, peace. Good morning, people of the internet. This is your boy GJ16. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have some exciting news. I thought it was gonna take 3 days. I thought I'd be back trading with real money on Monday, but it looks like today they're allowing me to be trading with real money today. As you can see, my equity is $743 is what I'm starting off with since the blowing up my account last time. Hopefully this time go better. I decided that I wasn't gonna short on this journey of that. I'm just going long. I'm going long on everything, not shorten until I get more comfortable or better at it. You see my buying power right there. Today is live trading. We're gonna put that down there. Today is live trading. We're looking at a couple of stocks. We only got one stock that's went over 100% today. That's up 100% today, and that's triple UUU. But we're looking at ITP, UUU, VSTM, APOP, SOLO. Those only five stocks today that we looking at. This thing is well over 100%. It's look like it's trying to gear to break the $5 range, and hopefully we be right there with it. I don't see anything else before the bell rings. So we just gonna focus on those three. I guess my goal is, I have a couple of setups that I like to look for. But because I get charged for the commissions on CMAG, which is the platform I'm trading on. My goal is gonna be, I want to get in and get out no more than one time, right? So if it goes down to and hit like let's say I like to do bounce off support and go up. Sometimes it'll go up under. So it's like a B plus setup for me with the bounce off support and ads if as soon as it goes under and come back up above. I have an A. I don't want to say A plus, but I mean all strategies don't work every time. But so my A is always looking for like the 3-bar setup, where like you get a big volume push and then a big long bar and then it pulls back close, no more than 50% of that previous bar, and then shoot up. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm only gonna be looking for my A plus setup, and if I can get a bounce off of support, I look for debt. Also with the incoming greens on the candle, and I'll be looking over here on the level 2. I'm not as good with the level 2. Again, I'm still a beginner trader with this. I'm still just learning as well, but we're gonna try to grow our account. Like I said, I want to try to grow my account to at least maybe 4, and then take out 2. That way I won't have the pressure of working with money that I initially put in there. I feel much better about it, Then I want to see if we can get it up to 40,000, which is the goal. Go to 40,000 on this small account. This is not a challenge. This is we trying to make it. So we got 30 seconds to the bell. I'm back with real money trading today, and hopefully we have a good day. No, I ain't gonna say hopefully. We should have a good day. So follow the rules, have a good day, and I'll meet y'all back when I make my trades. Alright, so I'm in with 500 shares right there. Yeah, 188. What? Oh, bro. Hold on, man. It's saying I got the equity right there, but why ain't they allowing me to? They're not allowing me to trade real money right now. Oh, bro. So I'm guessing it will be Monday for real. They got me. I see it down here as my equity, but I can't trade with it. They won't let me trade with my real money. Anyway, my out is 198. Actually close to 2. If I can get over here, I think my out is gonna be close to 2, 199, 2. It'll get close to somewhat like pre-market high, but I settle for being out at 198 on the bid. Man, what's up with that? They won't allow me to. Alright, we up. We up to 198. 196. What? I'm gonna say, yo, what the heck? I wonder if it can break past pre-market resistance and then go all the way up to VWAP. But I'm looking for 198 on the bid. You got 198 on the You had 198 on the axe, but I'm looking for 198 on the bid. Triple U look like it's finna make a move. I turned around, look for 1 second, and it already done it. I'm out right there, all out at look like 199. So 198. I did get out all out at 198. $50. Let's see if it's gonna pass $2. Is it gonna shoot past $2? Alright guys, I'm gonna stop it right there. I had one trade today that was POP. I got in over here at 188 for the first minute to make a new high around the support, especially over here on a 2 minute. It bounced off support twice, never really made a new high until right here. I got in right there, rode it all the way up to 190, which was like 10 cents. I had 500 shares. I got out at 198. It went all the way up to 203.04, and now it's just struggling to get back up there. But I'm gonna end it right here. It's 10 o'clock, and this is around what time I really want to be done trading. So until tomorrow, guys, peace.